There is new AI bot in town.
I just hear everybody that talks about it likes it.
ChatGPT is a brainchild of OpenAI. We have heard about this company because they have recently launched DALL-E 2. Remember? The mind-boggling text-to-image AI generation tool. It has a remarkable capability to converse with you and give you answers in your own language, just like human, in a way that you must have not seen it before. I know we all are thinking about the implication of this AI bot tool.
I am so scared.
But instead of thinking too far in the future, let's take advantage of this AI tool and come up with great business ideas that you and me can start today.
Oh my God, what a brilliant idea.
So before getting into the business ideas, I want to tell you one of the cool things of ChatGPT, which is the API integration.
Listen carefully.
If you don't know what an API is, it's an application programming interface which allows developers to basically create applications that can access and make use of the information or the data provided by GPT. So all the developers can create their front end and can use this capability of API integration with their backend engine. So now we know about the API integration, let's get into the ideas.
It's about damn time.
So the very first idea is AI-driven social media marketing agency. And inside this social media marketing agency, you can have writing bots, social media AI agent, which can actually write a copy for the social media handles, produce script based on your historic data. You can have unique templates for the people who want to write product marketing post for their social media handles. One of a great idea is to have an image generator inside this social media AI tool.
That's amazing.
The image generator will help your digital marketers to create images using DALL-E 2 and use these images inside social media posts. Second idea is to the video creators, filmmakers, scriptwriters. You can have an app where you can integrate with GPT engine and create faster scripts. I'm not saying that you have to copy this AI version script word by word, but you can have a starting block. You can write scripts faster than before. All you have to do is feed in the title of the script and the AI will generate a script for you. And thereon, you can edit the script, make it your own, give it a human touch.
That's real cool.
AI blog writer. You can churn out lots and lots of blogs by using these AI tools. You can have a front end or a website where people can insert their keywords. And once they feed in their keywords, the AI will generate an article based on keywords. You can then use this article, give it a human touch. This way, you can produce lots and lots of blog every day.
Got it.
So next idea is based on the research.
You serious?
You know how all of us has to go through lots and lots of documents, and there are people out there who are doing research on many subjects like this. So you can have a front-end website or an app wherein your agent, your AI agent can scan hundreds of documents and come up with fresh content ideas for the end user.
Holy guacamole!
So the next idea is website builder. Wherein you can create a front end for people to create their landing pages, and the landing pages can be created with the research and with the tools which are available in the back end from these AI tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E 2.
Baby, I'm so pumped.
So the next idea is to have a daily newsletters which can help you have a good lead generation for your business. It's time that we take advantage of this AI tools because they are not going anywhere and use them to create businesses for us. We have more videos coming on this topic in the future, so keep watching this space.